Wouldn't your life just be easier if you could wirelessly just transmit your HDMI cable? Oh well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the llano S9 USB-C HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver. This little device here has the power to transmit and receive HDMI. So get rid of all those super long cables. You don't need them. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. This is the llano S9 USB-C wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. Wireless direct mirroring box right here. Packaging on it looks really nice. Let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is the S9 user manual right here. It's just going to give you all the information you need on how to get the absolute most out of your mirroring box. Very nice. Important. We have a USB-A to USB-C cable right here. It's got a nice little length on it. Very cool. And a small HDMI cable right here is included as well. And it's also got a little strap on it. And it also looks like we have a USB-C extender right here. So we have female to male. Very cool that they included it. And finally, the product itself. Look at this thing. This thing is so nice. It feels good. This is the S9 right here. We have reviewed some of these in the past from llano, and they're always so nice. Look at that. Very cool that we have the input and output right here, being able to connect them so they stay together. On the side, we got an HDMI port right here as well. We have a USB-C port right here. I believe this is to power the device up. And we have an additional USB-C port here as well on the back. And these things are super simple to use. So let's go ahead and get them set up and try them out. This is the llano S9 USB-C wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. Plug and play, the llano wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver requires no Wi-Fi, enabling one-click screen mirroring instantly upon plugging it in. Equipped with a Type-C port supporting up to 60 watts of fast charging, it realizes screen mirroring and device charging at the same time, ensuring uninterrupted work and entertainment. In point-to-point mode, the refresh rate of the transmitter and receiver reaches 1080p at 60 Hz, and in Wi-Fi mode, the refresh rate of the receiver is at 1080p at 30 Hz. 100 meter long distance wireless transmission, the wireless transmitter distance can reach 328 feet, that's 100 meters, and it's easily suitable for scenarios such as distance teaching, online meetings, corporate office, short video creation, and live stream. It frees you from the cable constraints and achieves flexible screen mirror, but be aware some obstacles such as walls and certain surfaces can reduce the distance and speed. 2.4G and 5.8G dual band and dual channel transmission, the transmitter and receiver adopts a 2.4G and 5.8G dual band signal enhancement technology. The dual channel transmission greatly improves anti-interference ability. The entire screen mirroring process is free of delay, stuttering, or screen flick, with stable audio and video output and real-time synchronization of high-definition images. And it's got universal compatibility. The llano HDMI transmitter is fully compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS systems, and is compatible with iPhone 17, 16, 15 series, Galaxy S series, the Notes, the Pixels, the Edges, but do keep in mind it's not compatible with iPhone models with a lightning cable. And at 1080p Full HD picture quality, the llano S9 supports 1080p at 60 Hz Full HD output with free switching between screen duplication and extension mode. It brings an immersive high-definition visual experience for large screen viewing and work meetings and just home entertainment. It's also equipped with a privacy protection function. The transmitter can be disconnected with one click, so it's super easy to operate and effectively avoids privacy leakage during screen mirroring. And guess what? They give you complete customer support, detailed setup videos, FAQs, and comprehensive 24-month protection plan, unlimited support, and personalized help. So just know, llano's got your back when it comes to taking your HDMI entertainment and work to the next level. So I gotta say, wow, llano, great job. As you know, we've worked with llano in the past multiple times, and their products are always fantastic. I'm holding so much power in my hands right now that 20 years ago, I would freak out. llano is definitely making the future a brighter place, and this product is just so super cool. So we want to give a huge shout out to llano for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!